Hi, I'm Andreas. I'm one of the founders of CI Hub, the only plugin you need to aggregate your creative assets and accelerate your workflows. Our goal is to empower creative minds to work smarter, wherever it is in Adobe Creative Cloud, Microsoft Office, or your Google Workspace. Today, I'd like to talk about data. However you may think about it, it's undeniable that data and the sheer amount we are communicating will grow. And with it comes as many opportunities as challenges. And each of them has an impact to your creative work. As we get all the more oriented towards AI and automation to help us, data is the most critical resource alongside the creative mind and the human imagination. If only things worked as simple as we would like, the story could end here. The reality is our data infrastructure is still that we have to create silos, and we still will do so. And accessing them quickly is near on impossible. This could be for a number of reasons. Sometimes data isn't fit for the purpose. Sometimes it's prohibited to use it, or it doesn't integrate properly. Sometimes organizations grow so fast they can't keep up with the integration challenges that comes with it. Or maybe it's just too expensive and time-consuming. And this leads to data isolation makes connecting the dots hard. The missing functionality drives complexity. The missing available cross-platform support is a pain, and the lack of collaboration with your peers makes you lonely. These 5 points are impacting creative work, project goals, and the overall success of your endeavor. It leads to weakening the customer experience and decisions at scale. Don't we all believe that it's time to think different about this? It's time to focus on the user rather than on the data silo. Today, technology is already so advanced that we can cross the data silos with no or low-code approaches. Imagine if the data and your assets are right where you need them, right within your creative application. Imagine dragging and dropping images and metadata to save effort and enhance quality and compliance, no matter where they come from. There was never a solution that focused on the creative user's needs when working with images and assets. Furthermore, there is a reason for that. No one ever approached the user's needs independently from the solution the user used. You can spend millions to integrate and consolidate all of your data silos. We talked about the disadvantages, the time complexity, and the experience. The universe of information is in reach within a single plugin. Wouldn't it be amazing when there was a plugin for the creative worker? If someone would build a plugin in a way you would want it, and that makes sense, built with the 3 most essential things in mind. First, it needs to be easy to use from the initial setup to how you interact with it every day. Second, it's designed to let you work together across borders and across data domains, seamlessly and intuitively. And finally, third, it's designed to be secure, decisive to the user, and ready for the enterprise. And as your data can be everywhere, it should provide robust and seamlessly integration into all relevant DAM, MAM, PIM, cloud storages, stock providers, and workflow systems already. Wouldn't that be amazing? Let me introduce you to it. And thanks for listening.